Okay, everybody, here we go. Ta! It's the dead topiary. So here's how it's gonna work. Let me pull you up close, okay? And I got up early this morning, me and Mavis, and she's walking around doing her dog thing, and I had to get up early and start putting this topiary together before Mike wakes up. As soon as he wakes up, I'm going to start hitting the rebar because I need something to make sure that nothing happens to it in a storm. So it really looks better than on the recording. It really does, honestly, because I just came up and looked at it. If you get up close, it's awesome. So here's the thing. So it starts down at the bottom, way down, and under there, I planted underneath the topiary. Here you go. Only some, pull this back here, of the ivy. And I wrapped it around the dead plant. And then, there you go. I think you can see that better. I wrapped it around the dead plant and I kept the twirl. And remember, this was a tree that was going to lose all of its leaves anyway. See how easy it comes off? And so I had to get something to go around the form. It just gave me the shape that I needed. So I put the ivy, and all the ivy's not planted in. I did it in sections. And so basically I gave myself a grapevine wreath. And the thing that's kind of cool is that with this ivy, the part on the bottom I hope is going to catch and grow. But while it does, you know it's going to die. And guess what I have ordered? Yes, I did. I got some of the stuff on the internet that is for dead plants. Like if you have an arborvitae that has dead spots in the middle, you spray this spray paint on the plant, and guess what? It doesn't hurt the rest of the plant, but it just covers up the dead part. Well, you know all those leaves are getting ready to turn brown until it catches on the bottom. So yes, I am going to spray the whole thing with this plant spray paint. And it's going to be the most beautiful, strange looking tree you've ever seen in your life, and all free because I got the ivy from Margaret's mom's house. Thank you, Margaret's mom. And we pulled that yesterday. It was 95 degrees. And I just want you to know, keeping to the truth, I got no makeup on, obviously. My hair's got ivy and sticks stuck in it. And these are my pajamas still. I just put a shirt on so I wouldn't be breaking any rules because, yeah, I'm not putting on anything except a shirt. But it's about 100 degrees out here, exaggerating. It's about 99 degrees out here, exaggerating. But it feels like 99 degrees and I got to go in and cool off. But for now, I'm just going to let my little fake topiary do its little thing, and as soon as that spray paint comes in, I'll film it for you, and then that way you can watch how you make a dead plant kind of come to life ish. All right, see you later, next episode. Whew.